Hey guys, today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, then you click here on apps. You come to apps list and here you're looking for PicWish app or just click on search. Then here at PicWish it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.